You notice that blinking orb right there? It looks like XRP has gone up 95% in the last 7 days. And there's speculation, if you look at right here, there's speculation by many people that XRP is going to continue to rise. Here's one from Finance Bros, anywhere from $17 to $43. Now, where do you think XRP is going to go? Before we go any further, make sure to like right now. Hit the like button right now and comment down below where you think XRP is going. But here's the thing. Where can it go? Where will it go? And what are you doing about it? So let's get into that real quick. Hi, I'm Joe from Joe Knows the Cryptos, Crypto Joe. And so we're talking about XRP today, and I have some thoughts on this. Anytime someone makes an outrageous claim like it's going to go to $43, I look at, can it happen? Will it happen? Or what's the probability of such? So let's take a quick look at market cap, because that's the first stop. Well, here's XRP. Here's where it's gone since, I would say, it was down at 55 cents back on November 11th. And then on the, the 17th, so yesterday, today's the 18th. So yesterday it went up to 118, 119, and dipped back down. Are we going to keep testing those highs and push higher? Well, let's take a look at market cap. So right now, XRP has moved up to the 6th position in our market cap. It's at the market cap of about $64 billion, $64 billion, which is crazy. If you look at the market cap, if all the coins were out there, it'd be 112, almost double what it is. So, that's a huge market cap. Bitcoin, by comparison, is at 1.7 trillion or 1,700 billion. So it is got a ways to go to catch up to Bitcoin. The next one on the list is Binance, and it's at 89 billion. And then Solana at 115, Tether at 127. All right, but let's put that into relation to other asset classes around the world. Let's look at the top 25 asset classes. Gold, 17 trillion. Nvidia is worth 3.4 as the time this was written, $1 trillion. Apple, 3.4. Microsoft, 3 billion or trillion. Amazon, Alphabet, Aramco. Now look at Bitcoin, number 8 on the chart. And then it goes from there. You can see these other mostly companies, a couple assets in here, like I saw silver in here some point way down there. So my point is that, market cap is basically how much, if you take the stock price or the asset price per unit and multiply how many units are out there, that gives you market cap. So is it realistic that XRP can be worth $17? Well, let's take a look at this. If this $64 billion went up to $17, if it went up to $17, okay, now it's at, what do we say? It's at 117. So you take that, that 117, let's clear this out. Let's just say it's worth $1 right now, and it's a $64 billion market cap. If you multiply that 17 times 64 billion, that gives you $1 trillion. Is that possible? Is it possible for it to go to $1 trillion market cap? Yes, it's possible. Is it probable? There'd have to be a lot of money dumped in, and that would make it worth 3 times more valuable than Ethereum. So I look at that $17 price point and I say, I don't know if that's possible. But here's what I do know, that in the last 7 days, it's doubled. How many more times can it do that? And what am I doing to take advantage of this? This is the important thing. I'm a low risk investor, gambler, degen, whatever you want to call it. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. You do what you want to do. But in this market, I'm using bots to trade. So I'm doing 3 things. One, I have a low leverage. I have a low leverage position at Marjax right now. If any of these things I'm talking about, there's probably links down below. If you look at them, make sure you do it because you want to do it and you're understanding the risk. Marjax is very risky. You're trading with leverage or margin. And so I have a trade down here. It's hard to see. I don't know if I can pull that up. But basically, I put on a low leverage trade of XRP when it was about 85 cents. When it started going up, I got in at 86.69, so 0.8669 cents. Well, it's now worth 112 cents or $1.12 for most humans. And very low leverage. I have this at, is it 7, 8 times leverage right now. I started lower, and then as it went up, I started to do more leverage and pull more of my initial investment or margin out. And I'm up 239% on this trade. So I'm going to run this up for as long as it goes up. And then I'm going to continue to pull money out by increasing my leverage so I can pull a little bit of my initial investment out. And I might sell some positions if we get crazy. I might just sell off certain positions of that. But right now, that's one of the 3 things I'm doing. The other thing I'm doing, I thought I logged in. I have a Pionex trading bot, and the trading bot right here is XRP. I'm only up 24%. I put this on 2 days ago. I'm up 24%. It was about $1,000, $1,001, and it trades on a grid. And so I have between 0.7 and 2.1, 100 grids. It's getting me an arbitrage rate of about 155%. Not terrible. Now, these results are from the past. Who knows what the future holds? This is very risky stuff. But when I look at the holdings, I'm only up about 1% in my actual trading, but I'm holding it, and that's gotten the rest of the return. So that's one way. It's a little bit less risky because not all my money is in XRP. It's in USDT and XRP, and it through arbitrage buys and sells on a grid. And the higher it goes in price, the less XRP I'll hold. So I kind of wind down, as it goes up, I'm selling off the asset. So, you can realize those profits sooner. But it's not going to be as profitable if it just goes up and you hold it. So it is a risk, but it's a little bit, to me, it's less risky than just holding the underlying asset to a degree. Now, if it starts to sell off, it'll buy more of that and you'll be stuck holding the asset. So which is why you got to pay attention. The other thing I'm doing to take advantage of the XRP move is my EasyBot. Now, EasyBot is not a scam protocol DeFi project where you give them money and they may or may not give you your money back. It is software that trades through an API of your exchange where you hold your money. So it's as safe as the exchange, hopefully. And there's other risks there, like trading crypto is risky altogether. So make sure you're comfortable with the risk before you do any of these things. But basically, my XRP bot has netted me $744. I've been in this one for about a year though, but it was stagnant forever. And the last couple of weeks, last week or week and a half, it's been trading this. So same thing, it's a DCA martingale type bot where it'll buy as it goes down in different increments and sell as it goes up. And it's a way to, watch the market or play the market while still holding some of the assets. But I take out my profits as it goes up, it sells. And then it'll buy back in, then sell, and buy back in and sell. So, you might not be stuck with as much unless you don't watch it and the market crashes and it just buys all the way down until you're out of money. So long story short, I believe it's going to go up, which is why I have these 3 bots in play right now. And where can the market cap go? I have no idea. I'd be lying if I told you, but could it double again? Sure, if it doubled again, it'd be up near Solana, assuming Solana doesn't go anywhere. So what's realistic? It's already doubled in price. I'd be very, very cautious at this moment because it's already doubled in price. So where can the market cap go? Can it go to the moon? What's the moon? Obviously we compare everything to where the things are now. If another $1 trillion come into the market, where is it going to go? Is it going to go to Bitcoin? Is it going to go to Ethereum? Is it going to be spread evenly? But another $1 trillion is another third of the market cap. I think the market cap of crypto is about $3 trillion right now. And, that's increased from where it was, but how many more trillions can go in there? Let's go back to this asset class. Where is the, gold's at $17 trillion. Well, that's the most valuable, other than real estate, probably. Gold's the single most valuable asset out there at 17 trillion. I don't know that the crypto market can exceed that, but that's, that's like a 5x from where we are now. Is it possible? It's possible. Is it probable? Not sure. Only time will tell. So that's all I have. So XRP, it's already doubled in price in the last 7 days. Where can it go from here, and how are you taking advantage of the market? Hope you got some value out of this. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.